Hi there! Have you ever heard of JIRA? It's a software tool used by many companies to track their projects and tasks. One common issue people have in JIRA is moving a story from one epic to another. Let's say you're planning a vacation and you've created a story in JIRA for booking your hotel. But then you realize that the story should really be part of a different epic, maybe one called Vacation Accommodation. To move the story to the new epic, you simply need to click on the epic link name field. Then you will be prompted to choose a new epic. And that's it. Moving stories in JIRA is a simple process that can help you stay organized and on top of your projects. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and follow our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle.